Next stop is Dera Gujra Station.
This is a metro station in Lahore, the second largest city in Pakistan. Mohammed Nauman, a local young man, has a deep affection for this place. It's where his career began and where he witnessed the friendship between the locals and the Chinese.
This is the place which I've witnessed the friendship between Pakistan and China, and this is the place where we work together with our brother Chinese.
Winding through Lahore, the ancient city of gardens, the metro is known as the Orange Line. It went into operation on October 25, 2020, as the first and, up to now, the only metro in Pakistan. It's also an early harvest project under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, a flagship project under the Belt and Road Initiative. Chinese President Xi Jinping paid a state visit to Pakistan in April 2015. During the trip, leaders of the two countries witnessed the signing of more than 50 cooperation deals, including the Orange Line project.
In 2015, when President Xi Jinping witnessed the signing of this project, at that time I was a student of transportation major. So being a student, it was very amazing thing for me that this whole connectivity is coming to my country.
In February 2020, China and Pakistan signed a contract for the operation and maintenance of the Orange Line. The project then started recruiting staff. Nauman immediately applied and joined the operation team. It was only 8 months before the official opening of the metro line, but the operation team needed to learn and master the various skills, like train driving and maintenance. It seemed an impossible task for the team that was still taking form.
地铁开通前，我们必须要在短短的8个月之内建立起一个90%本地化员工的运营团队。但是受疫情影响呢，很多像招聘、培训工作没有办法按照常规的方式铺开。那怎么才能把关系到乘客生命安全的司机调度？包括运作岗位等等重要岗位交到新人手里呢？
Group trainings then started. Apart from theory learning, all employees were required to inspect the Orange Line on the spot to understand every technical detail. But in summer, temperatures in Lahore often rise above 40 degrees Celsius. Some team members were a bit reluctant to come forward. They also worried if the Chinese colleagues could endure the extreme weather.
假如你人站在高架桥上的话，在太阳暴晒的情况下，一般人可能2分钟都是受不了的，马上就会湿透，然后会中暑。就是我们的中方讲师冲在了最前面，在这个整整2个月的时间内，尤其是轨道这个专业组，就在室外，在太阳底下。给这个当地员工就做一个面对面的培训和教导，从来没有一个中国人说过天太热了我干不动，没有人叫苦叫累，就4、5个中国讲师把所有的轨道整整26公里走了好几遍，连培训再检查。
Everyone is amazed, everyone wondered how somebody can put so much effort in that project. If we talk about our Chinese trainers, if we are doing wrong things, then they are teaching us that this is not the right way to do these things. They are telling us again and again. That was pretty much effort they have put in us.
Nauman and his co-workers saw their professional skills improved rapidly. After the Orange Line started commercial operation, Nauman began his career as a station master on duty at Dera Gujra Station.
My family is very proud of me because being a part of this much great project, this international project, everyone likes it.
Thanks to his own efforts and help from Chinese colleagues, Nauman performed exceptionally well on his post. He was awarded the title of Outstanding Pakistani Employee of the CPAC in 2020. Now, he has been transferred to the Operation Control Center to work as a train dispatcher, taking on a heavier responsibility.
I want to send it back to Deepu. If you see my position in OCC, this is one of the most key position as far as the safety is concerned. And this OCC is the heart of Orange Line. And if we are ensuring and we are following the safety standards, then it means that Orange Line is safe for the people of Lahore.
1年365天没有出现任何的安全责任事故，而且它的运营指标达到了国际的先进水平，这个成就是非常来之不易的。我们走廊本身连通的不只是我们两国的科技，我们两国的经济，更需要像习总书记提出的，要民心相通，所以呈现就完美的达到了这个初衷。
Nowadays, the Orange Line has become a token of friendship between China and Pakistan.
There's a very frequent term which is being used in our friendship, that it is deeper than the oceans and higher than the mountains and sweeter than honey. And it is a very apt description of the last 70 years. The sweetness is improving, the depth of the relationship is improving, and the height of our future relationship and cooperating is improving all the time.
ये चाइना ने जो भी किया है और बहुत अच्छा किया है, पाकिस्तान के लिए किया है और पाकिस्तान का फ़ायदा इसमें, ठीक है, पाकिस्तान की जो अवाम है उसका फ़ायदा इसमें।
It's a China-Pakistan friendship line. Nobody should be ambiguous about it, because if we can see an orange line in Lahore, so it's just a result of China-Pakistan brotherhood.
For China, they're really generous, and by sharing their resources to other countries, and other countries are getting benefit from that. And I think this is going to give really potential to Pakistan, and it's going to make the country prosperous.
मुझे इस ट्रेन का सफ़र करके बहुत खुशी महसूस हुई है कि ये बहुत अच्छा है, और चाइना के साथ हमारे माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छे तल्लुकात है। पाकिस्तान का ये मुल्क बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है और फ़ख्र है मुझे इस पे भी और अपने मुल्क पे भी।
朋友一生一起走，那些日子不再有，一句话，一辈子，一生情，一杯酒，还要走，还有我。China friendship very good。中华友谊万岁！中华友谊万岁！
从亚欧大陆到非洲、美洲、大洋洲，共建“一带一路”，为世界经济增长开辟了新空间，为国际贸易和投资搭建了新平台，为完善全球经济治理拓展了新实践，为增进各国民生福祉做出了新贡献，成为共同的机遇之路、繁荣之路。